So I've got an idea. No disrespect. No disrespect to Cat Stroller. Why not just nothing but videos of Cat Stroller's hot wife? In her age bracket, she's a 10, lads, and you know it. You're not going to take that away from her. I'm talking in her age bracket. She's no Katy Perry, lads, but she's good enough for... She's close... She's hot. Just nothing, no disrespect. Nothing but Cat Stroller's wife walking down the trail in her shorts and her... smoking a cigarette. Nothing but that. Nothing. Here she is in the garage, cleaning up the Cat Stroller's, the garage, and she's over here working, and they're going camping together, and she's trying to fish. Everybody likes hot chicks fishing videos. No more of the gays. No more. No. I got nothing. That's all I got. Cat Stroller and his, he's a lucky lad. I tell you, you're a lucky lad. You're lucky. All right, so what do you think? No more. Just, no disrespect, but just, here she is, in the kitchen, making a salad, smoking a cigarette, looking out the window, yelling at the dog, telling the dog. More. That's all I got, lads. I got nothing. Chicken save us, lads. Chicken save us. Like I said, nothing. Go. Just go.